This presentation is brought to you by Brailleiant at Brailleiant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. The following describes how to install a voice package on VoiceOver on an iOS system for the blind and low vision individuals. Presented to you by Brailleiant. Please visit our website at Brailleiant.org.
Hello guys, this is the Teeth, and today I'm going to do a video of how to install a voice package for VoiceOver. Now, I already have the package installed. This is the Indian English Voice Pack. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. I have a lot of apps on my iPad, so I'm using the iPad Mini 2 device. I'm going to go to settings. Now, my cursor is automatically selected on general because I did this. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your VoiceOver settings.
Storage and iCloud.
Now, depending on your iOS, the VoiceOver might be different, but you can just because of that, it doesn't mean you can't follow these directions, because this will work no matter what.
Settings, vision, VoiceOver, settings, modifier keys, control plus option, button.
Now, since I have iOS 9.3.4 on my iPad, I just click on speech.
Typing type rotor, Braille, speech, settings.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your rotor languages and click on Add New Language.
Default rotor English, more Hindi, add new language. Settings. Indonesia.
Now you have different options. Select one and double tap on it. Then click the More Info button. Do not select any of these options, otherwise you will not understand. But the one I'm going to select is Hungarian Speech Package. So I'm going to select it. Now that speech synthesizer is now in your rotor languages list. So if you ever want to switch to that synthesizer speech pack, you can click on that. And when you select a synthesizer with that speech, you either get your enhanced or your incoming packages. You will get your quality depending on what you select in that More Info dialog box. Thanks for watching this video.
This has been a presentation by Brailleiant at Brailleiant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. If you like this video, please click the like button. And for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.